Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9a, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. To get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application like this one right over here, and next navigate to Organize. Here we're gonna scroll down to Manage SIM. Let's give it a moment. It needs a bit of time to load contacts unless there is no contacts on the SIM card, which would be unfortunate. Oh, there we go. So as you've seen, it does take a moment to load them. And here you can see all these contacts are basically deselected and grayed out. I cannot import them because they already exist on the Google account that the device defaults to. Phone will always try to import contacts to the Google account. Obviously it's Google, so they're trying to get all your data by default, and they're packaging it as it's going to be on the cloud, so you have access to it everywhere. But you only have one phone. You don't need phone numbers on your tablet, which you can't call. So yeah, anyway, here you can change also where you will be importing contacts to. And if you are not signed into Google account, which probably that's not very likely, but in a chance that you might not be, the Save To option will not be visible at all. And instead the phone will automatically import contacts to the device itself. And also when I select the device, you can see all these contacts now became selected and not grayed out anymore, because there is not a single contact on the phone storage itself. They were all on the cloud. So anyway, I can now choose to import them. And again, Google is trying to do something very stupid and very predatory, which is remove the contacts. So you're relying on, for instance, their cloud to get contacts. Do not remove these contacts. It is absolutely redundant. These contacts on your SIM card never get in your way. So this is just a way to lose data that is on your SIM card being safe kept just in case. Maybe you at one point need to swap out a SIM card to a new phone, but you don't want to sign into Google account. Crazy idea. And therefore you would have all your contacts there. So I'm gonna select keep. And furthermore, no, we're not going to be backing up. Don't keep off and screw off, Google. Know your place. Anyway, next we're going to navigate to contacts. And depending on where you have imported your contacts to, you might need to switch the display location. And this also will touch upon the SIM card kind of deleting contacts. So under all contacts, if we tap on it, we have the option to display contacts from the all contacts, Google account, or device. So as you see, none of these contacts get in our way, and right now I think by default you actually should be able to see your SIM card contacts here as well as an option, but chances are maybe because we have imported them to the device, it knows that these are the same exact contacts, so it just removed one option. As now that they are stored on the device, they give us actual contacts that are here, have way more options for instance, editing. So if I just go into something like this and then edit, and you can see I can change things like first, last name, the contact information, like the icon, company, phone number, add additional phone numbers, birthday, email addresses, and notes, and so on. So it has way more options than just a normal contact that is stored on a SIM card, which typically just has name of a contact and a number and nothing else. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.